In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zelle payments not sending or receiving. If your transfer is stuck, delayed, or failing, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you get back on track quickly and safely. First, start with your internet connection. Zelle needs a steady signal to process payments. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is strong and consistent. If Pages or other apps feel slow, try moving closer to your router, switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data, or briefly toggling airplane mode to refresh your connection. Avoid spotty public networks while sending money. Next, confirm that both you and the person you're paying are enrolled in Zelle. You can check enrollment inside your bank's app or the Zelle app. If the recipient isn't enrolled, payments may not go through or could be delayed until they finish setup, so ask them to verify their enrollment status. Now, verify the details linked to your Zelle profile. Double check that your bank account is correctly linked and active. Then confirm the recipient's phone number or email is exactly right. No typos, missing digits, or extra characters. Keep in mind that each phone number or email can only be tied to one Zelle profile at a time. If the recipient recently changed banks or devices, they may need to update which account their number or email is connected to. Make sure your app is current, open your device's app store, and update the Zelle app or your bank's app to the latest version. If the app is crashing or acting strangely, reinstall it, then sign back in. Updates often fix bugs that can block transactions. Give your device a clean restart. Power it off completely, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. This clears temporary glitches that can interfere with secure connections and app processes. If you use a VPN or a firewall app, temporarily disable it. These tools can sometimes block payment traffic or make your location look suspicious to fraud systems. Turn them off, try your payment, and then turn them back on when you're done. If payments still fail, reach out to your bank or Zelle support. Share the error message you're seeing, the approximate time of the attempt, and whether it's happening with one recipient or all. They can check for account holds, payment limits, security flags, or system maintenance that you can't see on your end. Follow these steps, and most Zelle sending or receiving issues resolve quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you complete your transfer with confidence.